Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our location in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you don't know how to log in, we've created a video regarding how to log in as well. Now let's simply go to our profile. On the navbar, in between the notification bell and this employer/post jobs button, there lies your profile. Simply click on it, then something like this will open up. Well, you can sign out from right here if you wish to, but right now we only wish to go to our profile. It's the top button, let's click on it. Well, here's my profile, everything's right here. Here is my resume. In case you don't know how to upload a resume, we have created a video regarding how to do that as well, so worry not. Now let's try to change our location. Right here is my email address and everything. I'm gonna click right here. Then something like this will open up. You can change your name from here as well, your headlines. Let's scroll down. And right here, you can find something like location. Just below it, there's something like country, and below it, street address and everything. I simply want to change my location, so let's change our country. Here's the country right here. And next to it, there's a button called as changed. Click on it right now. Now you can change your location to anywhere you wish. I'm simply gonna change it. And there you go. Once everything's okay, let's hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you update or change your location in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.